If you're searching for where to find legit Cash App promo codes in 2026, you need to understand something right away that most people won't tell you honestly. There is a lot of misinformation online, and a huge portion of so-called promo codes floating around social media are either outdated, fake, or designed to trick people into giving away personal information. So before anything else, the real value here is learning how Cash App actually works, where legitimate bonuses come from, and how people genuinely receive rewards without falling into scams. Cash App is a financial platform owned by Block Inc., and unlike random shopping apps or gaming platforms, it doesn't constantly release public promo codes like Get 50 Free or Cash 100 Today. Those kinds of codes you see on YouTube comments, Telegram groups, or shady websites are almost always fake. In reality, Cash App rewards usually come through very controlled methods like referral programs, limited time partnerships, and occasional in-app promotions that are targeted to specific users. That means not everyone sees the same offers at the same time. So when people ask where to find legit Cash App promo codes in 2026, the honest answer is that there is no single public website or generator that consistently provides working codes. The only legitimate source is Cash App itself. Everything else is either recycled misinformation or an attempt to get clicks or personal data. Now let's talk about how people actually earn bonuses from Cash App in a real and safe way. The most common method is the referral system. Cash App allows existing users to invite new users using a personal invite link or code. When a new user signs up and completes the required steps, both the inviter and the new user can receive a bonus. But here's the important detail. Those requirements change over time. Sometimes it might require sending a minimum amount of money, sometimes it might require linking a debit card, and sometimes it may require receiving a direct deposit. These conditions are not random. They are part of Cash App's fraud prevention system to ensure real users are joining, not bots. This is why you should never trust websites claiming instant Cash App promo codes that work for everyone. Cash App doesn't operate like that anymore. Over the years, they have tightened their system heavily because of abuse. So instead of searching for magical codes, the smarter approach is to understand where real offers appear. One of the only reliable places to find legitimate promotions is inside the Cash App mobile application itself. Occasionally, when you open the app, you may see banners or notifications offering cashback, boosts, or referral bonuses. These are personalized and cannot be manually generated or shared publicly. If you see an offer inside the app, that is always more trustworthy than anything you find outside it. Another legitimate source is official Cash App social media accounts or announcements from Block Inc. Sometimes they partner with brands, events, or seasonal campaigns where users can get small rewards or cashback boosts. These are rare but real, and they are always clearly announced through official channels. If a promo is not mentioned by Cash App directly or inside the app, you should treat it with caution. Now let's address something important, because it's where most people get trapped. You will see websites claiming they have 2026 Cash App promo code lists, or hidden Cash App hacks that give free money. These sites often look convincing, sometimes even showing fake screenshots or fake testimonials. But the goal is usually to get you to click ads, download suspicious apps, or enter your Cash App email or phone number into unsafe forms. In some cases, they may even try to trick you into logging in through fake pages, which can lead to account theft. So the rule is simple. If a website or video promises guaranteed free Cash App money through a code, it is not legitimate. Real financial platforms do not distribute money that easily without conditions. Instead of chasing fake codes, a better strategy is to use verified referral opportunities. If you know someone who already uses Cash App, they can invite you using their referral link. That is one of the only consistent ways new users receive bonuses. But even then, you must follow the exact instructions provided inside the app. Missing a step usually means the bonus won't activate. Another thing people don't realise is that Cash App sometimes replaces promo codes with what they call boosts. These are discounts or cashback offers tied to your cash card. For example, you might get 10% off at certain stores, or cashback when you use your card at specific merchants. These boosts are not traditional promo codes, but they are real financial benefits that come directly from Cash App partnerships. If your goal is to maximize value from Cash App in 2026, focusing on boosts, referral programs, and verified in-app offers will always be more effective than hunting for external codes that don't exist anymore. Now let's talk about timing, because a lot of users miss opportunities simply because they are not active at the right time. Cash App promotions often appear during major holidays, shopping seasons, or major events like Black Friday, New Year sales, or back-to-school periods. During these times, companies increase partnerships, and Cash App may introduce limited-time cashback offers or bonus incentives. However, these still appear inside the app, not on random websites. One more important thing to understand is that Cash App has strict security systems. If you try to abuse promo systems, use fake accounts, or repeatedly attempt referral farming, your account can be limited or permanently banned. So even if someone online claims there is a trick to generate unlimited promo codes, that is not only false, but also risky for your account. A safer mindset is to treat Cash App as a financial tool rather than a free money generator. The real value comes from convenience, peer-to-peer transfers, savings features, investing options, and occasional rewards, not constant promo codes. If you are watching videos or reading guides about Cash App promo codes in 2026, always check whether the information is encouraging safe behavior or pushing unrealistic claims. The more exaggerated the promise, the more likely it is a scam. To summarize everything in a natural way, the only legit ways to get Cash App promotions in 2026 are through the official app, verified referral programs, cash card boosts, and occasional official partnerships. Anything outside that ecosystem should be treated as unreliable. If you want to stay ahead, the best thing you can do is keep your app updated, enable notifications, and check the offers or boost section regularly. That is where real opportunities appear first, and they are usually limited time. At the end of the day, there is no secret list of universal Cash App promo codes that unlock free money for everyone. That idea belongs to older internet myths that no longer match how modern financial apps operate. What does exist are controlled, user-specific rewards that you can only access through official channels. So instead of chasing fake shortcuts, focus on understanding how the system actually works, because that is what will keep you safe and help you take advantage of real offers when they appear.